What's up, everyone? So check it out. This is a 2022 Model Y long range 7-seater. Actually belongs to my cousin, and he's bringing it to me because he needs tires. At 29,000 miles, this thing already needs tires. He's got the factory Continentals. And ironically enough, and this is why I'm making this video for you guys, if you look at the outside tread of this tire, it looks fine. These tires look great. Okay, and he's been good with his rotations, but if you look at the inside of this tire, look at that. So this is why I implore you guys to get on your knees, get down there, turn the steering wheel, whatever you got to do, but check the inside of your tires. These Teslas are known to have some toe out from the factory, which will cause premature wear of the insides of your front tires. Now, let's go to the back tires. We have another issue. So if you go to the back tire, the back tires will have inside tire wear because of camber wear. So you guys might want to look that up on the internet. But see this? Look, the outside looks great. He didn't even know he needed tires, but the inside is really, really worn out. So check this out. If you look at the angle of this tire, it's tilted like this. So in order to correct this, what we will do is supply you with an adjustable rear camber arm that will correct the tilt of the tire, will help straighten it out to mitigate that problem. And then on the front, the toe is adjustable, so we'll fix that toe so that we can get the inside of those tires to wear more evenly. But that's kind of what I wanted to share. Another thing that I'm going to share with you as soon as we get the wheels off the car is the actual bushings, the front lower control arm bushing. So you have a lateral link and a compliance link. So as soon as we lift this thing up, get the wheels off, I'm going to get this flashlight under there, and I'm going to show you guys what's happening with his bushings. So let's get the wheels off. All right, so check it out, guys. We got his lateral link out. His compliance link bushings were fine, so we're just replacing these. You can see this tear right here. And if we were to turn the steering wheel, this bushing would come out and you'd really see this being really torn. So we're going to upgrade this to the Mountain Pass Performance sealed spherical bearing. What's great about this product, it's $345 plus tax shipping if it applies. It comes with this dowel, okay? The problem we have is that there's a space in the subframe for this bolt, around this bolt here. So this thing can shimmy loose, and we've known for this to fall out of the subframe, and then at that point, your lateral link will just drop, and there goes all your steering. So Mountain Pass, being the forward thinkers that they are, they provide us with this dowel. This dowel sits into here, all right? And it ensures that this bolt stays centered. This is not the correct bolt. The actual bolt's longer than this, but it keeps this bolt centered. We put some blue Loctite on it, medium strength, and that'll keep this thing in there for as long as you need it to stay in there. We won't have these problems moving forward, and this will not tear on you because it is a sealed spherical bearing. It is a European OEM bearing that will last way longer than you'll probably own the vehicle, because we've been tracking on these things for about 80,000 miles, hard miles, and we have not had a bearing fail on us yet. So let's get these on the car, and then we'll show you guys what the adjustable camber arms look like. All right, guys, so check it out. We got the tires done. This is our preferred tire right now. It's the Hankook Ion Evo All Season. It is a Tesla spec tire. It has the foam inside. These things have amazing efficiency results for us, and Tesla has moved to Hankook as one of their OEM suppliers, so that is a great thing. Now, here's the adjustable rear camber arms. Now, I would have loved to have put Mountain Pass Performance adjustable camber arms on here, which are billet and forged aluminum, but in an effort to keep the cost down, we've gone with our more affordable option. This is the White Line adjustable camber arm. Now, check it out. This thing is threaded here. This little turnbuckle here will allow us to extend or shorten the length of this arm, which adjusts the tilt of this hub. So by lengthening the arm, it'll push the top out, and we'll be able to correct that camber angle. So now I'm going to show you guys the lateral links. They have already been installed. You can see the Mountain Pass Performance sealed spherical bearing on the lateral link installed right here. The dowels are already in here on this bolt to center that bolt and keep it from wiggling out. We've marked torque on all of those items. This is going to really dramatically improve the steering response and give you a long-term solution to these bushings, which tend to tear between 25 and 35,000 miles. Now, the other bushing that I was talking about is this one over here. This is the compliance arm. This bushing actually is fine, but it does commonly tear at the same mileage. But because my cousin does a lot of highway driving, those bushings are fine, but his lateral links are ripped or were ripped. So now that this thing is fixed, we're going to get the wheels on it. We're going to drop it down. We're going to align it and we'll show you the results. All right, so check it out. These are his before numbers. Now, I already extended the rear camber arms by 1 full turn, so that probably pulled at least a degree of negative camber out. So you can see these are his kind of results after I pre-extended them. We have not done the alignment yet, so these are his before numbers. Now, after installing his upgraded lateral link bushings or bearings, you can see how much total toe out he has. So that'll kind of contribute to the inside tire wear he had in the front. And then obviously in the back, you can't see what his negative camber was, but expect it to be probably close to 2 degrees. And so we're going to go ahead and get this all buttoned up and send it on its way for good tire wear. All right, it's all done. So check it out based on his driving style and what he carries for payload, because this thing is unballasted right now. We've got his camber set, symmetrical, his rear toe's all good, his front toe's all good. He's got a 0 steer ahead. His thrust angle is 0. Everything is ready to go. He should not have inside tire wear anymore. Look how straight this tire and wheel is now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it was like really tilted before, and now it's more straight up and down. So hopefully there'll be no more inside tire wear. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope this was informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you haven't checked out our Patreon account, please do so. It's patreon.com/ZevCentric. It's $5 a month. It just helps support us. It's a small token of your appreciation for the work that we do for you, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.